yesterday? Was he going home? Did he say his last homeward ride to Dirranbandi? And was his old face kind of pale, like he'd spent some time in jail? Did he still have a scotch and soda handy? He's never been inside a cell, it's just that he don't feel too well. The jugheads and the twisters have taken their toll, and what he's been through and done, you see, has legend to blokes like me. And would you believe he's really not so old? But he gave a thrill to many a crowd, from old Isa to the sea. And he's covered grounds of black soil, red and sandy. And I wonder if you saw him, is there a word for me? Was he heading home for one last ride home in Dirranbandi? Dated jeans and faded shirts, hiding inside years of hurt. His nightly bed, just a bench on an old park lawn. All possessions down the years, parked for whiskey, wine and beers. And now it seems there's nothing left to pawn. His hair and beard were 3 parts grey when we were drinking the other day. He was talking about years of falls and hooves and scars. And then a tear came to his eye, mumbled something about he'd soon die. When I left him in that crowded oasis bar, but he gave a thrill to many a crowd, from old Isa to the sea. And he's covered grounds of black soil, red and sandy. And I wonder if you saw him, is there a word for me? Was he heading home for one last ride home in Dirranbandi? Was he heading home for one last ride home in Dirranbandi?
Oh, thanks very much.